Hi, babe. Give me your teddies back. Oh my god, message him. Really message him? Yeah, we're good friends. I'll message him. You got your eyes? Besties. You want to school them? Bestie vibes on. Bestie vibes. Oh, I've got class. I used to go back.
What the hell? It can go here instead.
What the hell?
Twerk. I can't twerk, babes.
Do you want me to twerk for you?
Yeah, twerk, go on. Do us a twerk.
That was more of a shit.
We've got 100 viewers. It was love. Hannah, you are foul, mate.
Keep it up. Nice dresses. Some dress, babe.
Jack Grealish. Twerk again.
Oh.
Twerk again. Hotel
Do a
room.
footballer for an edit.
Jack Grealish. We're in the McDonald's Hotel in Manchester.
Stand back to who's taller. No.
Me. Hannah! Stand back to back so you taller. No.
Who's burping?
It's Hannah, she's burping. Can I join you in the hotel all night? Yeah, you can come if you want. Brunette is looking fucking stunning.
Oh, thanks, babe. Get your coat, you pulled.
Hannah! Can you pick each other up? No.
Look, this is what I'm like on the treehouse. I need to be like. Where are you in Manny?
We're in the McDonald's Hotel, babes. We're off to Warehouse Project. And that's
Who's the beautiful blonde?
it's me. It's my life. I love foot rubs. No, we don't swear. No.
She vapes later.
Hannah's got burping problems.
I'm here for acid reflux. Who's burping mega loud? Me, it's not. I don't do it on. I have problems.
White tears, yeah, babes.
Where's my fucking nose back? You do a better after that. Blonde one is out of this world. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Brown hair one is so hot. I simp for that queen.
I sent to that queen. Where's my own for that? I like it when you chop over my drink so I can't have any.
I'll probably. Sorry, guys. You just salt up on her. Who likes my carrots?
Who likes to walk? Can I see the back of the blue dress, please? No.
God, this is really hard.
Okay.
Yeah, but I can't check yet. Fit check! Oh my god, Hannah!
I can't help it. Like, it's really bad. It's so uncomfortable. You're obsessed with TikTok, aren't you?
Fit check shows you fit. Who can handstand? Go on, Leona, do a handstand. Oh yeah! Shut up, what am I doing?
Oh yeah!
No, these are.
What is this lighting? Where are you going? We're going to Kaluki
Warehouse
Bed.
house. I did put it as my TikTok caption, Warehouse Project.
Do a backflip.
Do a backflip.
Do a backflip then.
I will. You do a backflip. Go on, Hannah, do a backflip.
Backflip check. Hey, I'll go on backflip. Blonde is beautiful. It's not going to help the acid reflux.
Who is that blue thing? What is that blue thing on the bed? Smart with babes.
I thought you meant me.
Hey, mine on.
What is that blue thing, please?
What is that blue thing? Now the girl in
What
the
is
blue.
the blue
Now the
thing?
girl in the blue.
Do a backflip. Yeah. I'm good, fine.
Brunette is fire.
Fire.
Backward roly poly. Go on, do one.
That's just done one.
Do another one.
No. It doesn't help my acid reflux.
Oh, you need a ready for that.
You joking?
I swear to God.
You just said Rennie's make you bad and I don't need to
Yeah,
go.
the thoracic reflux.
Yeah,
You're
joking. Rennie's the acid reflux.
The thoracic reflux.
Give me one now. Health warning. Health warning.
You took my Rennies.
Is it because you said
Is
acid
it-
reflux?
No, it's the bit. Who for acid reflux?
No.
Google it for acid reflux.
I'm probably going to put my mum having a Rennie, is that okay?
Fuck off, health warning. Cannot beat a Premier Inn. It's actually a McDonald's hotel.
This is not a Premier Inn.
We're not budget queens.
We
Only
are.
£20 each.
Substances featured in this latter video could harm your
I'm
health.
gonna get banned from
Will
TikTok.
this be alright? Won't like react with it.
It's for acid reflux. It is for acid reflux.
Get it. What the fuck?
Have it.
That's what I was doing on Christmas morning for my nana. She was like, and then I spewed up, so I think it's coming, guys. Are you sure this is?
It's for Google it. It's for acid reflux.
It actually is.
And indigestion.
You said it makes you bad. I do not mean to bad.
For acid reflux and indigestion, I swear. Have you got acid reflux?
Well, my nan said that's what she thinks it could
Acid
be.
reflux and indigestion.
My
I
dad
swear.
put yes, they are.
100% would wife it up the brunette. Brunette is a bit of me. Not good, I won't. Pussy girl. You gotta chew it.
I swallowed it whole.
You swallow it. You meant
I thought you chew it.
you meant to chew one. You gotta chew it. Brunette is definitely trans.
How offensive.
You're a trans. They always call me a plus size queen. Cheek of it. Are you a right rider?
Look at my boobs. They're real.
They're real babes. Brunette looks like Kylie Jenner.
Oh, I'm coming off this live.
Should we say? Yeah.
That's sick orange.
Should we go show the Hannah meeting? Absolutely.
Yeah, get me
not.
off that camera.
Guys, Hannah's just been sick.
You never told me you meant to.
You meant to chew it.
That came up. That was a powerful.
Why is there substances warning on there? Bruce Jenner, you know, peak.
No, that came out with red.
Hello guys, I'm here with Bruce Jenner. Here's the sick girl.
Guys, I just swallowed a mini hole.
You need to chew it, Hannah.
I didn't fucking know that.
Go chew one.
Spewed it up. I don't think I could handle being TikTok famous, you know. I think I'm sorted.
Who's wearing the nicest thongs?